Hello everyone and welcome to today's Stitch Fix, what you know about Stitch Fix. Other than I love them and I love doing these unboxings and try-ons with you all. For those of you who are new, you might not know what Stitch Fix is. Let me tell you real quick here while I crack on into the package. It is an online styling service where you can take a little quiz online, tell Stitch Fix about your style, you know, they give you 5 outfits and you say, I like that one. Yes. Or you say, I will never wear paisley in my life. Don't send it to me. And then you get a stylist and your stylist will send you, depending on your request, depending on time of year, you know, did you ask for a dress? Did you ask for a jacket? / is it winter time? So you might want a sweater even if you didn't ask for one. You know, your stylist is going to curate a box for you of 5 delightful goodies, either clothing, accessories, so like shoes, bags, jewelry. Why did I say that? So weird, but you know, what have you. And then you get to try it all on from the comfort of your own home and decide whether or not you want to keep anything. I am an affiliate. Anyone can be an affiliate. It's not because I have a YouTube channel, but if you do want to try out Stitch Fix for yourself, get your first box. I'm pretty sure it gets your first box to you for free. Obviously, if you keep the items, you have to pay for the items, but it at least waives the $20 styling fee. And then it also gets me kickback. So I certainly appreciate it. And I just love hearing that you guys enjoy Stitch Fix as well if you've tried them out through me. So as I said, my link is always in the description below. They also send you a pre-stamped mailer bag for any returns or exchanges that you need to make. So that's a part of your $20 styling fee. And then your items. As far as I can remember, I didn't make any requests this time around, so I have no idea what I'm going to be getting. It looks like a sweater and some other sweaters, and it looks like some denim. So we have got some possibly good things. We shall see. Hello, is that my stylist texting me saying, Cassie, you're gonna love these items? I mean, I sure hope I'm gonna love them. If nothing else, I just think Stitch Fix is fun to try on things that I otherwise normally would not. You know, sometimes my stylist picks out something like that for me. So first off, as I said, denim. This excites me because I, like many, have put on a little weight in these past couple years of quarantine, and new jeans. If they fit me, that's fantastic, because not a lot of the ones in my closet do anymore. And these look like jeans. I'll try them on, that's great. Ooh, I hope. I feel like I'm more of an 18 nowadays, like between a 16 and an 18, so we'll see. Democracy, I don't think I've tried on any of their jeans. It's the ab solution. I don't have abs, okay? But these are gonna apparently lift my booty, mold and hold my assets. Well, I guess we'll see about that. We've also got something super soft here. Kind of a waffle texture. There's nothing to it? Okay, there's a tie to it. I like it. It's like if it's just a plain shirt, come on, that's a little boring. Some of you are gonna be like, yeah, but it's just a tie. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, but adds interest, okay? But I like it. I think I have gotten something from this 9 Breton brand before. It's very soft, but it's also, it looks a little sheer, which is great for me, you know, being a very hot and sweaty person. Hopefully it will breathe. I love the color. I love this kind of a rusty orangey terracotta. So cool. This is super soft. What is this? This just feels like a straight up pajama shirt. This is also from this 9 Breton brand. It's so soft. Can you guys just like see how soft it is? Oh, if only you could feel it. Now this is definitely like a plain Jane kind of a sweatshirt type thing. It's got a little bit of a acid wash tie-dye. I don't know how exactly else you would describe that, but you know, we'll see. It's otherwise a little uninteresting, but then we also have some kind of a, what is this textured sweater? Oh, that's kind of fun. I can't tell if I love this or hate this yet. I kind of love it. It's a sweater. It's a white cream sweater. This is from One State. I don't think I've tried anything from them before, but like, look at these sleeves. Look at these striped, frilly sleeves. I kind of love that. That's kind of fun. I think I'm gonna feel like a chicken in this. Just gives me wings type of a moment. And then last but not least, we have one thing that got wrapped separately for whatever reason. It's another sweater. Oh, nay, it's a cardigan. Y'all know I love a good cardigan. Now, I have mentioned this before because I did get a cardigan similar to this before that I ended up keeping because I'm pretty sure I kept everything in that box. So it ended up being cheaper for me to keep it. I don't love, like, it's very soft, but this kind of, is it like a fleece? Is it a Sherpa? Is it, I don't know. I know that it's supposed to be very trendy, but for me, it just, for whatever reason, it looks cheap. And like, that's not the end of the world looking cheap. I just don't love the look of it. And also, how many people have tried this on? What is going on with this tag? I have questions, but like otherwise, it's fine. It's like, it's a nice striped kind of a cardigan. I would wear this around the house type of a thing, but let's try things on. Woohoo! I think these fit, you guys. I got new jeans to fit my butt. And they feel so light and stretchy. Is that a better view? Yes, we have a nice skinny fit to them. Some very small, distressing features. But hey. Now listen, I don't feel like they're like ultra sucking me in or anything, but like, I do think they feel nice. This shirt, on the other hand, I like it in concept, but I feel like I know myself too well that I would just be pulling and tugging at this all the time. And this just, it's a thick knot. I don't know, I like it, but like, I'm trepidatious because I know me. And I'm not used to clothing touching my skin of my stomach. In terms of a shirt, I'm just so uncomfortable with it. So while I can like look in the viewfinder right here and be like, ooh, nice, it like shows off my curves and whatever else, I just know that that's not how I would be feeling throughout the day. You get me? Now this is more like it. Oh, I like that it has length. I like that it shows off my shape, just not as much. It kind of looks like I spilt something on myself here, but like, oh, it is so soft and cozy, and this is so much more well, that other one is my style. I just, like I said, I know myself and my insecurities enough to know that I'd have to be feeling a certain type of way to ever want to put that shirt on my body again, but this one, it's just cozy. So soft. It's so, can you see the softness? Oh, it's nice. And I guess while we're here, I would never wear a cardigan on top of this sweater, but just so you can see it on. Like, there's something about this paneling here that I don't like, and I know it's supposed to be trendy and whatever else, but something about it, it's just not for me. If it didn't have that to it, like, that could be cute, potentially. But that's just not the case. Why do I love this so much? I don't even think it looks that good on me, but like, just looking down at these sleeves makes me so happy. I mean, come on. Right? The rest of the sweater, there's nothing to it, but like, it doesn't need to have anything to it because it's got these sleeves. Oh my goodness. The only thing I worry about is like, does this wash well? How is this gonna lay and how is this gonna look after it gets washed? Come on, how do you not love that? Let's go look at prices. Okay, wow, it's not even 4 o'clock yet, but the sun is going down on me. So let's take a look at the prices of these things, my friends. I know I'm gonna want to keep the denim, but like, there are some other things that I wouldn't also mind keeping. Oh my god, I just ruined it. Let's pretend I didn't already take the papers out. Oh, hello. It's my favorite part. Okay, so first off, let's take a look. I did indeed get Emily again. Let's see what she said. Happy Fix Day. So glad that you found some things that you liked in your last fix. Got a mix of cozy pieces to get me ready for the winter in this one. Hope you find a few more winners in this box. Started with some jeans from Democracy. Try them with the amazing fringe sleeve pullover. Just add your favorite booties for Thanksgiving, or add festive jewelry and heels for a holiday party ahead. I know, I really like that sweater. I've also added in a few cozy casual tops for everyday wear. They'll go well with the jeans and fashion sneakers, or pair the gray top with leggings and slippers for a day relaxing at home. Enjoy. But what really matters is the prices. Are you guys far away? I feel so disconnected. Let's see. So, the hooded cardigan. Not a big deal because I don't want to keep it. It's $54. Okay, Sun. It might be done for the day. Super cozy gray top is $44, which like, I could see it retailing for that at like a Nordstrom. I could. The Democracy jeans, again, I could see it retailing for the $78 that they apparently are. The tie front shirt is $40. And the fringy sweater, it's $88. I don't know that I can do that, my friends. I really don't know that I can pay more for a sweater than I would pay for a pair of denim. Now granted, if I buy all of them, I'll get a 25% discount on everything. But that would be $208 with the discount and then my styling fee put towards things. I might just keep the jeans and put the 20 bucks towards them so that they're a $58 pair of jeans. 'Cause, I mean, like I said, as much as I love this, it's like, I don't need it. You know? So I might need to show some self-restraint here. But you all should let me know what you think. Help me decide. What should I do? What should I keep? That sweater brings me so much joy. But like, $88? Maybe. In which case, it's like, if I keep the denim and the sweater with the sleeves, that's like, what, 170 bucks right there. I may as well also just get this to make it the $208, and then in which case I should just keep everything, because that would like make the most sense cost-wise there. Or I could just keep the denim and only pay $58. Choices. I need to make some. And you all should let me know what you think. Like I said, the sun, I don't know what this lighting is anymore, but please let me know your thoughts on the items that I got in this Stitch Fix here. What did you think of them? Do you agree or disagree with me? You can also just let me know anything you want in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed the video by giving it a thumbs up down below. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap the notification bell down below and become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!